could have something here, boys, if we throw it on fucking on the YouTubes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I am the chef of the Chef Show over on Twitch. You may or may not have heard of me, but we're gonna get there. The other day, we cooked up a beautiful cod burger, lightly floured, lightly fried, topped off with an avocado red pepper salsa, finished with iceberg lettuce and a Dijon mayo. And boy, let me tell you, it was tasty. Now let's go over, take a look, and see how it was done. Boys, there's two things I was really excited about today. One, the cooking stream. I was super excited to do it, right? Just because I've been cooked like a fucking chef in forever. So, next thing is I got my fucking haircut, boys. Oh my god, I feel so much better. We're gonna go with the cod burger next. For the cod, we're gonna get some flour. Don't need much, we're only doing 2 flakes. So we're gonna go fucking that much. How much is that, chef? I don't fucking know. Eyeball it. Alright, cornstarch. Help make it light and crispy. Alright, so we're gonna go a couple tablespoons. That works too. We're gonna hit it with some dillweed. Alright guys, so we're gonna add some sea salt, some fresh ground pepper, and we're gonna give this flour, cornstarch, dill mix a good solid mix with our hands. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. And yeah, Bob's your uncle, fan is your aunt. We're gonna season, salt, both sides. Always. Same thing. Cracked pepper. Both sides. Okay. Good dill. Okay. And you can do the other side once you flip it in the pan. Let's go get this in the frying pan, shall we? We're gonna make our avocado pepper salsa. This is what we're gonna do while that's cooking. Avocado salsa, boys. So take your avocado and we're gonna go super small. And keep an eye on our cod too, because I don't want that to burn. Oh, done. Alright guys, so right now we're taking the bell pepper and we're going to get it prepped up for slicing and dicing here. So start by taking it off from the seeds, and then right here, if you look at the pepper, it's got that fleshy part to it, right? We just want the color to come through. So we're going to, that's what you see me doing here. You see me taking the knife and taking off that white bit, so you have a ton of red coming through, and it looks quite nice once the product is finished. All right, so now grab the red onion for the salsa. We don't need much. Probably going to go 1/4 of an onion. Okay. Fine days. Okay. most out of your lime, roll it first. Give it a roll on the fucking cod burger, okay? You're gonna get the most juice out of the onion if you roll it in half. Give it a squeeze. Okay. All right. As always, salt or pepper, pinch of salt. Okay. Chili flakes. Not a lot. You don't need a lot. You just need enough. All right. Just honey. It's gonna cut a little bit of that acidity down, and just add another level of flavor to the salsa, and it'll help bind it together. Okay. Creaminess of the avocado, the acidity, it just should work. And guess what? Fucking does. Gotta do the Dijon Mayo. We're gonna go, like I said, because it's just me and my offspring, or my daughter, we're gonna go 2. Alright, so we're gonna go a little bit of Dijon Mustard, Mayo, okay? But the fucking key, boys, the key is Wholegrain Mustard. Just a bit. Gives it a little bit of texture. And then to add a little bit of Canada to it, maple syrup. Doesn't have to be fucking expensive. Alright? Fucking, I'm using Aunt Jemima fucking. It is what it is. A little bit. Okay? Not too much. Same thing. Can't reiterate enough. Season your shit. Salt. Pepper. Helps blend and bring the flavors together, okay? Lettuce on the bottom of this one. The cod, sit right on top. Okay? This is the avocado maple. You want a lot because it's gonna look fucking good once you're done. That's gonna go right on top. That would sit just like that. Right? It'll get served. Alright, here we go. Time for the ASMR part. So, like I said, we started off with cornstarch, flour, salt, pepper, dill as our base. Seasoned our cod. Then we went with a Dijon Mayo maple sauce, and then the avocado, red pepper salsa. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we've been waiting for. That second big bite, and let me tell you something. The flavors balanced perfectly and tasted delicious. Now, don't mind that dangly piece of fucking lettuce that makes it look like ass. The whole thing was delicious. I only wish you could have tasted it. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for making it to the end of the video. You can follow me over on Twitch, where we will be doing more of these cooking streams live. As a matter of fact, we have another one planned for June 19th. It's a Friday. We'll probably start that at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And yeah, we're going to set the roof on fire, boys. Now, there will be recipes in the description for everything that you see. Oh, boys, thanks for tuning in. You can also follow me on Twitter, which is _chef show, and you can follow me on Instagram as well at _chef show. All right, boys, thanks for tuning in. You guys have been fantastic, and I'll see you soon. Remember, keep your boards clean and your knives sharp. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to